engineered for strength and efficiency, a professional solution for floor deck production. This floor deck roll forming machine features a robust structure, an industrial-grade design, built to meet the demands of modern construction projects. The feeding system ensures smooth coil entry and accurate material guidance, designed to support stable production performance. High-precision roller stations gradually shape the steel sheet into strong and uniform floor deck profiles. Every forming stage is optimized for accuracy and consistency. From feeding to forming, every component is designed for reliable operation, a dependable solution for high-quality floor deck manufacturing.